Looking for a double strike. He's at the bowling alley at SM City on the 3rd floor every Wednesday. So, you know, they're basically here because they get a discount at noon, early in the day. The bowling alley has some sort of a discounted price as far as I know. So we're here every Wednesday bowling. They've got ping pong, pool tables, karaoke, basketball hoops, punching bag, archery. Wow, looking good. It's very lucky of you. That was your first spare today.
No, Hank. And the machine robbed me of the spare because the damn ball wasn't coming.